What did you find at the scene of the crime, Sergeant?
Bloodstains on curtains and whiskers on kittens. 3 severed fingers and warm woolen mittens. Homemade explosives, tied up with strings.
What was the motive?
Dough.
Money? That's usually it. And the suspects?
Ray.
Who else?
Me.
But you've got an alibi.
We've also arrested Fa, So, La, Ti, and...
Doe.
That's the motive.
Personally, I think it's those bratty kids.
Or those Nazis. There's plenty of Nazis.
Not to mention those vicious nuns. How are we gonna find out who done it?
Come to the Mystery Dinner Theater. The sound of murder. Wine, food, humor. And if you figure out who done it, you might win a prize.
Well, I'll come with you. As long as they serve donuts for dessert. And if we don't like it, we can leave at intermission. We can climb that mountain and get back to the station. Got it? Let's go.